I'm excited to announce that I'll be starting an Etsy Hacks 31-day challenge, where I will share an Etsy video hack with you each day. Now, these hacks are designed to help you save time and money when selling on Etsy. Some are simple tips that I have learned along the way, while others are more advanced techniques that few sellers know about. So whether you are just getting started on Etsy or you have been selling for years, there will be something in this series for you. Now, the challenge starts December 1st and it will run through December 31st. The videos will be delivered in bite-sized lessons, which will be at most 5 minutes long. The lessons will be easy to digest, so you could start taking action and applying what you learn immediately. I also want to provide additional support if you need help implementing the hack. So at any given moment, if you have questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments area so I can help you. If you are interested in participating in this free Etsy Hacks 31-day challenge, you must head to the link in the text box and comments area below to sign up for free. I hope you enjoy the challenge and learn some helpful new hacks along the way. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait